Hello class 6. Today we will discuss about the time intervals. What is a time interval? A time interval is a definite length of time marked off by 2 instants. In a time interval, we need to remember that we have 24 hours in a day and 60 minutes in 1 hour. Let us have the first word problem. Math class began at 10:40 a.m. It ended at 12 p.m. How long was math class? In this problem, we need to know what is the end time and the start time. So first, we need to put the end time, which is 12, and the start time, which is 10:40. What we need to do? They are asking how long. So it means we need to subtract. Let us divide first according to the column minute and hour. So this column is minute and this column is for hour. Now let us subtract. But first, as you see, the minutes here is 0 and the minutes here is 40. So it means we cannot subtract the 40 to zeros. What we need to do? We need to get 1 hour here and convert it into minutes, which is 60 minutes. So we cancel the zeros. We put the 60 minutes. And here, since we get 1 hour, so it will become 1 hour, or we say 11. Now we can subtract it. 0 minus 0 is equal to 0. And 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. 1 minus 0 is equal to 1. And 1 minus 1 is equal to 0. So we have 1 hour and 20 minutes because they are asking how long, not what time. So we need to say the answer as 1 hour and 20 minutes. So the class, it is about 1 hour and 20 minutes. Next problem. The train left the terminal at 11:20 a.m. The journey will take 1 hour and 50 minutes. What time the train will reach to its destination? So in this part, we have the time duration, which is 1 hour and 50 minutes. Means how long is the journey? And it starts with 11:20 a.m. So in this part, what we need to do is to write the starting time, write the time duration, and then add. So let us divide it again by the column of minute and hour. So we will add now. 0 plus 0 is 0, 2 plus 5 is 7, 1 plus 1 is 2, and 1 plus 0 is 1. As you see, it is 12:70. Since we don't have 70 minutes, what we need to do again is to minus the 60 minutes. So we will have 10 minutes. And then convert this 60 minutes into 1 hour. So you need to be added here. So add 1 hour. Now let us put the minutes here first. Then let us add 2 plus 1 is 3 and then 1. So what time the train will reach to its destination is 13:10. Then let us convert it into 12-hour format, which is 1:10 p.m. On this video, it will show you more about time interval. So listen very well.
Today we shall learn about time interval. Let us begin. What do we mean by time interval? The time taken to carry out any activity is called the time interval. Let's understand it better with the help of a few examples. Firstly, let us learn about interval of whole hour. Rita went to the market at 9 a.m. She returned home at 12 noon. How many hours did she spend shopping? In order to find the time interval, we count forward from the starting time of the activity till the ending time of the activity, or we count backward from the ending time to the starting time. So, here let us count forward at an interval of 1 hour from the starting time 9 a.m. So, on counting 1 hour from 9 a.m., we reach 10 a.m. Then, from 10 a.m. to 11 a.m. is the next hour. And 1 hour from 11 a.m. is 12 noon, which is the ending time. So, here we skip counted thrice at an interval of 1 hour and got the answer as 1 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 3 hours. Now, let us count backward at an interval of 1 hour, that is from the ending time 12 noon to the starting time 9 a.m. So, on counting backward by 1 hour from 12 noon, we reach 11 a.m. Then 11 a.m. to 10 a.m. and lastly 10 a.m. to 9 a.m. Here too, we skip counted thrice at an interval of an hour and got the answer as 1 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 3. Did you notice counting forward or backward gives the same answer? Thus, we say Rita spent 3 hours shopping. Next, let us learn about interval of 5 minutes. Let us solve an example. Aman started from his home at 8:15 a.m. for school. He reached his school at 8:45 a.m. How much time did he take to reach school? Here we shall count forward, but this time the time interval for each count would be 5 minutes from the starting time 8:15 a.m. So, on counting forward by 5 minutes from 8:15 a.m., we reach 8:20 a.m. 8:20 a.m. to 8:25 a.m. 8:30 a.m. 8:35 a.m. 8:40 a.m. and lastly, the ending time 8:45 a.m. So, here we skip counted 6 times at an interval of 5 minutes each. Thus, we get the answer as 6 multiplied by 5 is equal to 30 minutes. Answer: Aman took 30 minutes to reach his school. Now, let us learn about interval of hours and minutes. To understand it in a better way, let us solve an example. Rema took an art lesson from 4 p.m. to 5:30 p.m. For how long did her lesson last? We shall follow two easy steps to get the answer. Step 1. Count time in hours. We know that 4 p.m. to 5 p.m. gives 1 hour. Step 2. Count time in minutes. Here, on counting the minutes from 5 p.m. to the ending time 5:30 p.m., we get 30 minutes. So here from steps 1 and 2, we get the total time as 1 hour 30 minutes. Thus we say Rema's lesson lasted for 1 hour 30 minutes. Lastly, let us learn to calculate the time interval by another method using an example. Jack's favorite television show starts at 3:30 p.m. It ends at 4:30 p.m. What is the duration of the show? So, here the information given is starting time of the show is 3:30 p.m. and the ending time of the show is 4:30 p.m. Now to solve this, we shall follow a few steps. Step 1. Count time till the nearest hour from 3:30 p.m. So, on counting till the nearest hour, which is 4 p.m., we get the time as 30 minutes. Step 2. Count time from 4 to 4:30. So, here on counting, we get the answer as 30 minutes. So here, from steps 1 and 2, we get the total time as 30 minutes plus 30 minutes, which is equal to 60 minutes. But we all know that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Thus, we get the answer as 1 hour. Hence, the duration of the TV show was 1 hour. Kids, wasn't it fun learning about time interval?
That's all for today. Thank you for listening, and the activity will be sent to you. Keep up the good work, kids. See you soon, inshallah.